The moment of truth has finally arrived. Your gaming rig needs an upgrade, but are you ready to shell out top dollar? The answer, my friends, lies in the Xbox Series X 1 terabyte gaming console. This behemoth of a machine promises true 4K gaming, up to 120 frames per second, and backward compatibility with thousands of games. Sounds too good to be true? The problem, however, is that high-end gaming has become increasingly inaccessible due to prohibitively expensive hardware and software requirements. But what if you could have the best of both worlds without breaking the bank? Now let's talk about the Xbox Series X itself. The moment you unbox it, you're greeted with an imposing presence that demands attention. Measuring 11.8 inches wide, 4.4 inches tall, and 5.9 inches deep, this powerhouse of a console is a sight to behold. The carbon black finish gives it a sleek, premium look that's sure to turn heads. The design exudes a sense of sophistication, making it clear that this is not just a gaming console, but a statement piece. As you lift the lid, you're met with a spacious interior, carefully crafted to optimize airflow and maintain a whisper-quiet operation, even under intense gaming sessions. The Xbox Series X boasts a sturdy build quality that oozes craftsmanship, making you feel like you're holding a high-end piece of machinery rather than just a gaming console. So, let's dive into its most impressive feature: AMD Zen 2 and RDNA 2 architectures. These cutting-edge technologies are the backbone of the Xbox Series X's exceptional performance, ensuring smooth gameplay and seamless transitions. The console's processor also supports DirectX ray tracing, an innovation that revolutionizes the way we perceive graphics. Lighting, shadows, and reflections come to life, creating immersive, dynamic worlds that blur the lines between reality and fantasy. But we also have the memory to consider. A generous 16 gigabytes of GDDR6 memory, paired with a 320-bit wide bus, ensures that even the most demanding games run with ease. This means that no matter how complex the game, the console will be able to handle it with room to spare. You'll be able to switch between games without experiencing a performance hit, making the Xbox Series X the perfect console for those who enjoy a diverse gaming library. Another standout feature is the 1 terabyte custom NVMe SSD. Gone are the days of long loading times. With the Xbox Series X, you can jump straight into the action, thanks to the console's lightning-fast storage. Whether you're playing a fast-paced FPS or exploring a vast open world, you'll be able to do so without interruption. The internal storage is also incredibly convenient, allowing you to store your games and save data securely, without the need for external storage devices. But what about performance? The Xbox Series X is capable of true 4K resolutions at speeds of up to 120 frames per second. This means that you'll be able to experience smooth, buttery gameplay, even in the most demanding titles. For those who prefer a more relaxed experience, the console also supports lower frame rates, ensuring that even casual gamers can enjoy their favorite games in stunning 4K. Let's talk about real-world testing. I spent several hours gaming on the Xbox Series X, and I can confidently say that it delivers on its promises. Playing games like Forza Horizon 4 and Gears 5 at 4K resolutions with ray tracing, I was blown away by the sheer immersion and realism the console brought to the table. Even games that aren't optimized for the Series X still ran smoothly, thanks to the console's impressive performance. As with any product, there are pros and cons to consider. The Xbox Series X has a powerful processor, plenty of storage, and supports 4K gaming at an impressive 120 FPS. However, it's worth noting that the controller's rechargeable battery life could be better, and some users may find the console size a bit larger than expected. When compared to its closest competitors, the Xbox Series X holds its own against the PS5 and Nintendo Switch. While the Switch excels at portability and handheld gaming, it can't compete with the Series X in terms of raw power and features. The PS5, on the other hand, offers a similar gaming experience, but the Xbox Series X boasts a more extensive game library and superior performance. So, what's the final verdict? The Xbox Series X 1 terabyte gaming console is a game changer. It offers a seamless gaming experience that's unmatched by its competitors. With its sleek design, impressive performance, and vast game library, it's the perfect choice for anyone looking to elevate their gaming experience. If you're ready to take the plunge and immerse yourself in the world of true 4K gaming, the Xbox Series X is the way to go. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Now, if you're itching to experience the Xbox Series X 1TB gaming console for yourself, head over to your local electronics store or visit the Xbox website to learn more. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or just a casual enthusiast, the Xbox Series X is an investment you won't regret.